Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When Bing cherries are in season, I can't get enough of them. I make pies, ice cream, refreshing floats, and other dishes, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cherry clafoutis. I know, it sounds like Club Foodie, right? This crustless French dessert tart is perfect to make when these little guys are around. It's another scrumptious summer treat to enjoy. So let's get cooking. Here we have a pound of these gorgeous cherries. Look at them, so nice and dark. And we'll prep them by removing the stems, obviously, as well as their pits. I'm using a pitter and it works marvelously. Press et voila, it's done. It's quick, plus it does a neat job, and no, I'm not being paid for saying that. After they're prepped, we'll sprinkle them with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, stir well to coat before adding cherry brandy. But you can always use my cherry simple syrup by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll give a quick stir and let the fruit macerate for 1 hour. 60 minutes later, we'll prep our baking dish by greasing the bottom and the sides of it with a tablespoon of butter. Then we'll add a tablespoon of sugar, maybe a little more, and swirl around to coat the dish. You can do the sides, but it's not necessary to go all the way up. Next, using a slaughter spoon, we'll scoop up the cherries into the prepared dish, try to disperse them equally, and set aside. Don't get rid of the macerated juice. That's yumminess we'll be using. Now, in the jar of a blender, we'll add eggs, a cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, the reserved macerated juice, then pure vanilla extract as well as almond extract, just a little bit. We'll place the lid on and process until the ingredients are combined. To this, we'll add flour that has been mixed with ground sea salt and process once again until the mixture is smooth. It reminds me of making crepe batter. Before we move forward, make sure to clean the sides of the jar, okay? We'll now slowly pour the batter over our cherries, and if some have shifted, we'll push them back so they're evenly spread out. We'll transfer the dish to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes or until golden brown. And a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. By the way, if the top of the clafoutis starts getting too dark while baking, loosely tent a piece of foil on top. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool for 30 minutes before dusting the top with powdered sugar if desired. And my friends, this is our cherry clafoutis. This decadent French dessert is absolutely delicious. Take advantage when Bing cherries are in season and make this tasty fruit tart. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!